Okay, once I have processed your file, basically I'll come out to my computer, this is the PlasmaCam software program, and import from a flash drive the file. You can see I kind of already have some stuff cut out on this partial sheet. We have this rectangle and these two parts right here. You can see they're already cut out right there. So I'm going to cut out this noodle bowl kind of right here. So what's nice about this software, this program, what you see is what you get. I'm just going to move that noodle bowl right up to the edge of the sheet metal and the parts. And then I'm going to go down here, going to go V, keyboard shortcut. Going to move the CNC machine to the approximate location of where I'm going to do my cutting. And you can see that's going to come down, hover above the metal, do the cutting. Need to turn on the plasma cutter. Already got the air, it's good. I'm going to lower this down to the height, basically about 1/8 of an inch or less, 1/16 above the metal. Definitely not touching. You know, go over here, turn on the dust collector, turn the fume extractor on. Gonna get noisy. Now I'm going to go machine cut. Check the height.